In a parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates, each plate is a square with a side of 2.5 centimeter. The distance between the plates is 3 millimeter. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. If this capacitor is connected to a 100 volt supply, what is the charge stored by each plate of the capacitor? Also calculate energy stored by the capacitor. So here what they have given is, so capacitor is made up of square plates, side length of each plate is 2.5 centimeter. Distance between the plates is 3 millimeter. You need to calculate capacitance of the capacitor. Then it is connected to 100 volt supply. You need to calculate charge stored by each plate of the capacitor. See, in case of capacitor, charge stored by each plate means charge stored in the capacitor only. Okay. Then calculate the energy stored by the capacitor. So three things you have to calculate. So capacitance of the capacitor, C should be equal to epsilon naught A by D. Substitute the values. 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 into area of the plates is, see, it is 2.5 centimeter, converted to meter, 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2, this is side length, square this, that will give you area. Area of a square is side length square, divided by 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. It is given 3 millimeter, converted to meters, so it is 3 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So this turns out to be 1.8 picofarad. Pico means 10 to the power minus 12. 1.8 picofarad. This is capacitance of the capacitor. Now charge stored in the capacitor is C into V. C is 1.8 picofarad. V is, they have given, it is 100. So that turns out to be 0.18 nanocoulomb. So 10 power minus 12 into 100 is 10 power minus 10. If you shift one more decimal place, it is 0.18 nanocoulomb. Then they have asked you to calculate energy stored in the capacitor. We know that energy stored is half CV square. So it should be half into 1.8 into 10 power minus 12 into V is 100 square. So if you simplify this, what do you get? 9 into 10 to the power minus 9 joule. So that is 9 nanojoules. So this is energy stored in the capacitor. So capacitance is 1.8 picofarad, charge is 0.18 nanocoulomb, energy stored is 9 nanojoules.